My name's Harry Swan. I'm Managing Director of Thomas Swan & Company. Thomas Swan is a performance chemical manufacturing company. We take raw materials, we manufacture chemicals that are then used in the supply chain by many of our customers to add value to their products.
My grandfather started the company by using slag generated here on the Concert Steelworks as a roadstone.
And then got into chemicals because he needed to find a product that stuck bitumen to roadstone to make tar macadam. My grandfather then took over the business from him, my father from him, and now I'm working for the business as well. I'm enormously privileged because I'm running a business that's got 160 people in it, and it's about having an effect where you decide as a team what you want to try and do, and you see that happening on the ground. You see the change, you see the success, you see the failures, but you see a business actually happening in front of you, which is enormously exciting. So it's very difficult to not get out of bed feeling excited in the mornings because you know that you're going to be able to do something. Every single day is different. There's going to be new challenges every day. But really, it's the challenge of knowing we've got to take a business and we've got to continue growing it, and we've got to see innovation coming in, we've got to see new ideas, new products, and really taking the business forward from that perspective. It's a great motivation. There's no way that I could run this company by myself. I can't do it by myself. I haven't got the skills or capability to do it by myself. So I rely on a good team around me, and they rely on good teams around their departments to make things happen. If you get that right, you're untouchable. So the business is split into 3 divisions.
My name's Clive O'Leary. I'm the Business Director for the Performance Chemicals Division.
Our Performance Chemicals Division manufactures and promotes a broad range of additives, resins, and active pharmaceutical ingredients.
It's a great place to work, some very good people. They're passionate about the business. I also like the environment. It's very green around here, and I was still surprised to see the deer on my first day in the office.
I think a lot of people are surprised to find that chemical companies can be a pleasant environment as well. So we have an amazing facility around here. We've got about 5 or 6 acres of grassland and woodland around us, and we have a huge amount of wildlife.
Phil Rutter, Operations Manager. I'm in charge of the manufacturing here on the Thomas Swan site at Concert.
Our custom manufacture division works in close partnership with a range of companies from around the world to manufacture their products on a contract or toll basis.
My name is Tom Porter. I'm the Commercial Director for the Custom Manufacturing Division here at Thomas Swan. I think being a family-owned organisation, we have strong core values in the way that we manage the business. We're flexible, responsive to meet our customers' needs, and we're willing to change. We're willing to listen to our customers' requirements and tailor our services and products to meet their requirements.
I'm Andy Goodwin, Commercial Director of the Advanced Materials Division at Thomas Swan, which is a very interesting general management role, which includes all aspects of managing. My role is obviously leading that division where we're developing new materials for emerging markets. Most of our focus today is in 2 areas of carbon nanotubes and then 2-dimensional materials, which is an exciting new area.
Our Advanced Materials Division is dedicated to the supply of high-performance materials from printable electronics through to memory devices.
My name is Simon Grant. I'm Technical Director here at Thomas Swan, and my role is to run the R&D facility to develop new products to secure the future of the company. We have a great depth of technical knowledge within the team, and that's not just new people that come in with new specific technical strengths we want, it's also the people who have been here for many years who've developed a lot of experience looking at and applying the technologies we already have.
I'm Stephen Raisbeck. I'm the QHSE manager here at Thomas Swan. So I look after the quality assurance and quality control side of things and the health, safety and environmental issues. Family virtue or values that the company has ever since I've been here. I mean, I'm now on to the 3rd generation of the Swan family. I started with the founder's son, and now it's the great-grandson, and all the way through that, the family values have been maintained, we've been looked after.
We've been running a program to bring primary school children in to see what we do as a company for many, many years. And you have to take that long-term horizon to inspire children to want to work for a business. And we have one example where we have a guy working for us in our QC department who came round as a school child and is now working for us as a company.
I'm Jamie Ross and I'm one of the QC analysts here at Thomas Swan, and we're responsible for the general testing of the products we make to make sure we're at the right specification before they get sent out to customers. I originally came here when I was 13, so when I went to secondary school we came here as a school visit. Then I went to do a work experience when I was 16, then when I was 17, and then I would give the opportunity to come here and work full time before I even had the thought of university. I was offered a place here to train and get put through my education here for degree level and things like that.
My name's David Cavett. I'm the Finance Director at Thomas Swan. I'm responsible for the finance function across the company. That includes human resources and information technology. I guess the main thing is that no one day is the same. You're never quite sure what each day will bring, and that's quite exciting.
David Herron, Logistics Manager, Thomas Swan. As you can see around here, we've got a busy loading area, vehicles moving, fork trucks supplying the plant areas. To the left of us, we've got the main warehouse with over 1,000 pallet spaces.
As a company, we're really serious about innovation, and for our size, we invest a high percentage of our turnover in R&D. New product development is key to our growth strategy, from new rubber additives for the high-performance tyre industry to graphene for printable electronics. We're always looking to tap into new markets and opportunities. We've been exporting for a long time now, travelling overseas as much as possible to go and meet our customers and make sure they're face-to-face contact. And that made an enormous difference to the business, trying to make sure that we were selling overseas. And we're now about 75% export. I think we're probably one of the few chemical companies in the world that can claim to be 100% powered by renewable energy. The anaerobic digester has been a big step forward in our sustainability agenda. It's a 1 megawatt generator facility. It takes crops, digests them to produce methane. The methane's burnt, and that generates the electricity for the plant. But we want to see growth. We want to see us being recognised within our core markets, and we want to see better innovation and better new product development. Looking ahead, I'm really confident that we'll continue to grow the company through innovation. We're very proud of our history at Thomas Swan, and we're even more excited about our future.